Hi there guys, welcome back. Today's lesson we're going to look at one of the most famous rudiments, the flam. Let's go. Okay then, so I'm going to start off by just explaining what a rudiment is. A rudiment is a series of 40 little patterns that we can use as the building blocks for fillings, beats, just general phrasing, that kind of thing. They cover lots of different things on the kit, from rolls to little accents, little groupings of notes. So I'm going to show you today the flam, which is one of the most widely used ones out of all of them, and it has a lot of applications that can be used around the kit and on different parts of the kit. So let's get into it and I'll show you the first pattern. Okay then guys and girls, this is a crotchet note flam. Your main note being the crotchet, and that comes on the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Now to make it into a flam, you've got a grace note which comes just before it, okay? So the grace note is a quaver and the two together become a flam. So the grace note, as you can see just before, it's got the little tail on to let us know it's a quaver, and it's joined to the crotchet. By grace note, I mean it's the best way to describe it is as a quiet note. Some people call it a ghost note. It's a quieter note just before the actual beat that we're playing. Generally a lot quieter. It's not like you're accenting the right left, noticeably quieter. So this pattern is all on the snare drum. We're going to start with a left hand lead on the grace or ghost note, followed by a right, then a right left, left right, right left. Okay? And you play it, and you play it, and you play it. You play these fairly close together. That gives you the flam sound. So we'll take this over to the kit and I'll play through it slowly at first and then we'll speed it up to show you how it sounds. Okay, let's go. Right then guys and girls, so I hope you understand how that sounds. I hope it was easy for you to follow. With this one, we're keeping the same pattern. We're going to keep it on the snare drum. We're going to add in the bass drum. Okay. Now remember, the ghost note comes before the main note. So the bass drum is on the crotchet of every note. Okay. So it's on the right, the left, the right, and the left. You don't put it on the ghost note. It's in line with the main note. Okay. So I'll play that through it for you and we'll see how that sounds. So follow me over to the kit. Okay then, so in this example, we're going to start moving it around the kit, okay? So we're going to start on the snare drum, we're going to tom 1, which is the drum directly in front of you, tom 2, so this is drum just to its right, and then tom 3 or the floor tom. That's in most standard setups. Obviously some of you will have it slightly different. So tom 1 is generally the smallest tom 2 is the middle, tom 3 is your third, is your biggest or your floor tom. Bass drum's in line on the 1, so we're just going to go around the kit going 1, 2, 3, 4, but with flams, okay? So I'll show you how that sounds and let's have a look. Okay then, so the final pattern for this lesson, we're going to add in an extra quaver note on every drum, okay? So you've got left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, the count for this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You've got your bass drum still on the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4, okay? So let's take it over to the kit and let's see how it sounds. It's quite hard for me to explain or for you to see it like this if you're not used to reading music. So if you just follow closely what I'm doing on the kit, it should help you. Okay? As I said, any questions that you have, please comment down below and I'll answer them as we go along. Okay then, so thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful, especially for beginners. It's a nice, easy little pattern, gives you a nice introduction into rudiments and what they are. It's just something fun to mess about with, but they do come in very handy. We'll go into more detail in the future, involving flams and different notes and different notation, and how they can really change up your normal basic fills. So if you've got a normal fill that you like, just throw in a flam in the middle of it or towards the end or at the start can really change how that fill sounds. So we'll look at that in future lessons, and yeah, hope you had a great time. Please remember to subscribe. Any questions, please ask down below and I'll do my best to answer them. And once again, thanks for watching.